Have you ever felt that moment when you're finally ready to take the next step, but suddenly, your heart starts racing, your hands turn cold, and your mind becomes crowded with doubt? You know this is the opportunity you've been waiting for, your chance to move forward, to grow beyond who you were yesterday. And yet, somehow, every step feels heavy, almost as if something inside you is holding you back. But what's really happening here? From a psychological perspective, anxiety is a form of protection. Your brain is trying to keep you safe from what it perceives as danger. Even when the truth is, you're not in danger at all. You're just stepping out of your comfort zone. Your mind confuses change with threat, and it reacts the only way it knows how, by triggering fear, hesitation, and overthinking. But there's also a spiritual truth behind this feeling, one that runs much deeper. Anxiety can be a sign that your energy is shifting, that the frequency of your being is colliding with a higher vibration. Every time you rise, in your career, in your relationships, in your consciousness, your old energy resists. It's not because you're weak, but because your system isn't yet used to the new frequency. That tension you feel, that inner conflict, is the space between the old you and the new you. The version of you that doubts and the version of you that's ready to shine. So, anxiety isn't your enemy. It's a messenger, a signal that you're in the process of transformation. But how do you move through it with grace? The answer is not to fight it, not to suppress it, but to welcome it. Take a slow, deep breath. Feel every sensation inside your body, the heartbeat, the tightness, the trembling. And gently say to yourself, I am safe. I am growing. As you do this, the energy of resistance begins to soften. Your nervous system starts to adapt, and your body learns that it's okay to exist in this new, higher vibration. Now, bring prayer into the process, not from fear, but from awareness. Breathe as if every inhale fills you with light, and when you exhale, release everything that no longer serves you. Let your heart speak to God, not through panic, but through peace, not through desperation, but through trust. And as you do, something miraculous happens. You begin to see that anxiety was never meant to stop you. It was meant to awaken you, to make you conscious of every step you take. Because growth isn't about rushing forward, it's about expanding your awareness as you move. And when you finally cross that bridge, when you move through the storm of doubt and into calm, you'll realize something profound. Everything that once made you anxious no longer has power over you, because you've become one with your own courage. You didn't just heal, you evolved. You no longer walk in haste because you know every step you take is now guided by the light of God. And from that moment on, your life no longer moves from fear, but from consciousness.